So here we have two equations. The first one is 3x minus 2y equals to 7. The second one is x plus 2y equals to minus 3. Our objective here is to find the value of x and the value of y, and these should be consistent in both equations. Alright, now so let's jump into it. So here we have two different equations. Our objective is to find out what x is and what y is. So first of all, we'll take this equation and find out what x represents. Solution. See here, 3x minus 2y equals to 7. 3x equals to 7 plus 2y. X equals to 7 plus 2y over 3. Now that we've gotten this for x, we put this here. So for the second equation, x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. And now we know that this is the value of x. This represents what x is. So we'll say 7 plus 2y over 3 plus 2y equals to minus 3. Then we find the common. This will be 3. 3 and 3 is 1. 7 times 1 is 7. 3 and 3 is 1. 1 times 2y is 2y. 1 here is 3. 3 times 2y is 6y. Minus 3. Now the next thing to do is 7 plus 6y plus 2y is 8y over 3 equals to minus 3. So we'll say 7 plus 8y equals to minus 3 times 3 is 9. 8y equals to minus 9. Bring the 7 over here and it becomes minus 7 minus 9 minus 7. 8y equals to minus 16. Y standalone equals divide both sides by 8. This divided by 8 is 1. This divided by 8 is 2. So y equals to minus 2. This is the value for y. Now that we know that y is equals to minus 2, we now put in y into this to find out the value of x itself. So we see x equals to 7 plus 2 multiplied by minus 2. Instead of 2y, we know that y is now minus 2. So we say 7 plus 2 multiplied by minus 2 over 3. So x is equals to 7 plus 2 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 4 over 3. X is equals to minus 3 over 3. Oh, sorry, I mean plus 3. 7 minus 4 is plus 3 over 3. 3 cancels 3 is 1 over 1. X equals to 1. Y equals to minus 2. This is the answer. That is A.